Hello everyone. Today we talk about the latest sign of deteriorating relations between Washington and Beijing, and that is US warns its citizens in China they risk arbitrary arrest. The State Department, in a travel advisory on its website that was also emailed to US citizens registered as being in China, said exercise increased caution in the People's Republic of China due to arbitrary enforcement of local laws for purposes other than maintaining law and order. This arbitrary enforcement may include detention and the use of exit bans. The statement said Chinese security forces may detain or deport American citizens for sending private electronic messages critical of China's government. US citizens may be detained without access to US consular services or information about their alleged crime. US citizens may be subjected to prolonged interrogations and extended detention for reasons related to state security. The security alert comes as the bilateral tensions between the two countries have been already soaring over several issues ranging from COVID-19 pandemic, trade, South China Sea politics, the national security law of Hong Kong, and Chinese human rights violation against Uyghur Muslims in the Xinjiang region. Further, US and China had recently engaged visa bans against each other's officials. On the backdrop of imposition of national security law in Hong Kong by China, Australia had already issued a similar update in travel advice to its citizens traveling to Hong Kong. The advice said, "You may be at increased risk of detention on vaguely defined national security grounds. You could break the law without intending to." However, Beijing had shunted it away as completely ridiculous and disinformation. Whatsoever, the immediate reason that prompted the security alert by the state is not yet disclosed. That's all for today. Thank you.